Hey, welcome back. This week's recipe from the farm, a classic French onion soup. Simple to make, but I do have a couple tricks that'll help make it come out really good. Rigati. Alright, I've got some yellow onions, about 4 pounds I got cut up here. One of the things about onions, everybody worries about hurting their eyes and crying, and Lord knows we have enough things to cry about these days, so I find that wearing contact lenses protects my eyes, or putting a fan near me and blowing the air away will protect my eyes from the onions. Other thing is, sometimes, especially farmer's market, you get an onion, has one bad layer in it. That's actually a leaf. Each layer in an onion is a leaf and one of them went bad, and you can just peel that out and use the rest of the onion. I'll rinse it off and use the rest of the onion. There's nothing in it that can hurt you, and especially since we're cooking it so much. So I've got some butter going here, about 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to put half the onions in the pot, and then to get those going. And I want to wilt those down, so I'm going to cover those first. Let those sit for a minute, 3 or 4 minutes. Then I'm going to add the rest of my onions. Just that kind of gets everything going. And then a really important part after that is to leave the onions uncovered after that. So here we're going to add in, mix those up after we wilted those first batch, add in the rest of the onions. We're going to leave it uncovered, and then we're just going to stir it once every 5 minutes. Once every 5 minutes, and after like 30 or 40 minutes, you can see how far it's cooked down. Add a little bit of wine if it starts to get really sticky in there, so I can finish off getting a nice caramelization of those onions. Then I'll add my spice mix, mix those up, let those sit for a minute, and add some wine to deglaze the pan. I'm using a white wine. You could use sherry, that would work too. Get the pan all deglazed. I'm going to fill the rest of it up with water. Let that soup finish. And then we're ready to put that soup in a bowl, which I used, and then I'm going to put some toast. I used sourdough bread and then some Gruyere cheese. Cheddar would work, but cheddar's a little oily, so this cheese is a little drier, so it works nicely and it melts and it comes out really pretty. So into the broiler it goes. Just a couple minutes, keep an eye on it, and there you have it. All right, let's try this out. Oh, c'est magnifique. Wow, that is, yeah. Well, until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good.